Hello everyone, what's up? So in this video we are going to be doing a speed test comparison between Redmi Note 5 Pro versus Redmi Y2, the newly launched phone. Redmi Y2 is running 8.1 Oreo, whereas Redmi Note 5 Pro is still running Android 7.1.1. So yes, as always we'll start with the boot up test. And Redmi Note 5 Pro has a Snapdragon 636, whereas Y2 has a Snapdragon 626. But it has a better Android, latest Android 8.1. So yeah, let's see what happens. Here we go. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it, and also hit that notification bell. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And yes, here we go. MI logo first on Redmi Y2. Let's see what happens. Now it's actually my first speed test with Redmi Y2. I will be doing more with Mi A1 and maybe with Honor 7X as well. Okay, both phones taking some time. And okay, so Redmi Y1 first, Redmi Note 5 Pro. Okay, it's done as well. So let me quickly get rid of this pattern and all, and I'll see you once I'm done. So guys, everything is closed in the background, everything is ready, and as always we'll start with the phone dialer. Here we go. Okay, so just a little bit faster on Pro. Calendar. Okay, so that opened at the same time. Camera. Okay, so a little bit faster on Pro. Let's try with this Chrome. Again, seems like they were exactly the same. And now we'll start with some of the social app. First will be Twitter. Faster on Pro. Snapchat. Again faster on Redmi Note 5 Pro. Tinder. That was equal. Facebook. Here we go. And again a little bit faster on Redmi Note 5 Pro. Finally Instagram. Okay, so that was I think a little bit faster on Redmi Y2. So I'm actually connected with the same Wi-Fi network, and we'll be opening some shopping app. First will be Amazon, and it opened on Y2 and loaded on Y2 as well. Next app, eBay. Okay, so opened on Redmi Note 5 Pro and it has loaded as well. Redmi Y2, and it's done as well. So next shopping app will be Banggood, and let's see. Okay, so opened at the same time. Let's see which one loads it first. Looks like Redmi Y2 will win this. So yes, Redmi Y2 completed. Redmi Note 5 Pro taking some time. And let's try with one final, Flipkart. And it has loaded on Redmi Y2. And let's move on to some of the gaming section, guys. First game will be Flappy Bird. And okay, so it opened on Y2. Next game is Motor Traffic Racer. And okay, so look like Redmi Note 5 Pro will win this. Yes, Redmi Note 5 Pro, but Y2 not far behind, guys. So let's try with more games. This is Temple Run, and again it's looking like Redmi Note 5 Pro will win this easily. Yes, there was an awkward pop-up, but yes, Redmi Note 5 Pro faster. Let's try with some more games. Smash It. And okay, so faster on Redmi Note 5 Pro. So when it comes to gaming section, Redmi Note 5 Pro is proving to be faster. Subway Surfers. This is the final game. After this we'll be checking the RAM management. And okay, once again Redmi Note 5 Pro faster, and Y2 is done as well. So yes guys, let's move on to the RAM management. And yes guys, as I said, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. So first app will be Facebook, which is in the RAM. Snapchat. Okay, so refreshed on Y2. Flappy Bird in the RAM. And Flipkart in the RAM as well. We got this game as well, Motor Traffic Racer, which is in the RAM on both phones. And Subway Surfers. Okay, so in the RAM as well. So yeah guys, that was a quick little speed test comparison between Redmi Note 5 Pro and Redmi Y2, and I have to say there was not a huge difference, and maybe because it is running the latest Android 8.1, Oreo with maybe when Redmi Note 5 Pro will get its update, it will be more faster than Y2. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, share, and as always guys, peace out.